Today we have the 2023 Auto Trail Tracker. This vehicle has done just over 2,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our bathroom, which is complete with our toilet, sink and shower. Next up is our kitchen area, where we have our microwave up top, cooker, grill and oven just below. Opposite me is our fridge, as well as our TV. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, our living area transforms into our double bed, making this motorhome 2 berth, 2 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control. Moving on to our screen, we can access our camera, USB and Android link, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see our rear camera.